Hey, what's up, guys? It's April 21st, a few days after the Bitcoin halving. Um, actually, yesterday, I think, completed the halving. Here on the Forbes website, it says, if we get a similar run to the previous cycle, looking at historical performances 1 year after halvings, Bitcoin could reach 450,000 a year from right now. So, we're going to mark this date, April 21st, 2024, and, see where we're at April 21st, 2025, see if we could get a $450,000 Bitcoin price, which would be totally amazing because I would be hitting a lot of my marks and goals with crypto. Or if we get a similar cycle to 2016, we could see it shoot up to $270,000. And so I do a strategy where I'm doing trading, basically like minute by minute trading. And the cool thing is I do not need to be by a computer. I don't have to do it. Everything is automated through these bots. And, when before the Bitcoin halving came, there was a lot of FUD, right? And so a lot of the memes, they just dive down. But some of my bots are getting back into these grid lines where I'm actually making some money, which is really nice. So I got 7 of my bots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 out of range, meaning they're not making money. I'll kind of just show you. So down here, it's not making money, but you could see that it's kind of all making this down, back up kind of trend right here again, you know, down, back up. It's actually, making some little bit of trades there. And you can see all of them are kind of the same. And I'm not worried about them, but becomes the summertime, I'm going to be laughing because right now my balance is nearly 40,000 USD. So 39,155 USD. So 39,155 USD to Canadian, which is, 53,000. So my account right now is down, from the highest point that it was around 60,000 Canadian, down kind of just under $7,000, which is okay because while it's down, I'm still making money. And that's the really cool part is, while these things are going down, I'm still making money. And it's holding this price, so when it goes back up, I'm doubling up. So the available balance I have right now for this, guys, is $3,500 dollars. And if you watch my previous videos, this is the one time. Usually, I compounded back in the one time that I'm using it for a trip that we're doing with my family. So right now, $4,800 Canadian, which is pretty decent for a little vacation, taking a 1 week vacation with my family. But here's what I wanted to show you. Let's say Bitcoin did reach that $450,000, right? You divide that by the current price of Bitcoin, which is 64,707. So divided by 64,707. So that means it could go about 7 times the price, pretty close to 7 times the price of Bitcoin in 1 year, which is really nice because I times that by my current balance. If we go 7 times, which is 39,000. We'll go back to the calculator. Okay, let's say 39. Sorry, let's go back here. This is 75. 271,000 if I stay on course. But the cool thing is, I'm not only trading, I'm also using the richest man in Babylon formula where I take, a percentage of all my income I'm making and throwing it into Bitcoin. So, my goal is actually 250,000 by December 2024. By December 31st, could we get this to $250,000? And that would be cool because that'd be 343,000 Canadian, which is really cool. So that's the goal with this, and hopefully you can follow along in my journey. My goal is to buy land and live off the land with my family, a sustainable living, and also invite a bunch of people to, experience sustainable living, and that's kind of my goal. So that's the video today. 450,000, let's go.